Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video and I didn't delete the file, and I started playing around with it today to give it a little more depth looking. And if you made this part will be extremely easy. So I'm backed up to where I was, and I've still got my rotation item there so I can keep it. So this is all, if you saw it move, you need to move it back. I'm going to go to group and ungroup it. And then I'm just going to see, this is one group or one item. I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm just going to go down, and it could actually have a little bit of darkness on both these edges, maybe not quite that much. You can always bring your thing in. Now, I'm going to show you a good way to duplicate some of this, but this won't duplicate because it's going the opposite direction. So we're just going to do it one by one. And you could do more than what I'm doing on it. Just try to get them about the same. And now here's kind of a key on this one. We're going to want this, and we're going to use the attribute eyedropper to copy this amount that we give it with the interactive fill tool. Let's call that good. Now I can take the attribute eyedropper and take a sample there and put it there, there, and there. I'm actually going to put it there. I didn't have that on the original. So all your interior parts kind of have that. Now group this together, Control G. And if I was going to nudge one of these to each other, if I nudge this one over, I'm going to have that one selected. So if I nudge this one over, this one will be selected, and I can go Control D to make a duplicate, so the other won't rotate, just my blue part. And now I can rotate it that 120 degrees, Control D, and then I can nudge this out of the way. And that looks pretty cool. Got a little shadowing like it would be for real. Anyway, I hope that helped. A little bit of fun, and thank you for watching.